But thank you. Oh my God, I'm so grateful. I don't even know what to do. I'm literally shaking.
Nothing but a beauty queen. She make it look so easy. No one else can compare. She know what she doing.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Saweeeeetie, and I'm getting ready to go on a solo regroup trip, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. So I'm gonna show you guys me packing, you know, probably some fits I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna be doing a lot of self-care stuff, just focusing on myself, give myself a break. Also celebrating me hitting a milestone with YouTube. I appreciate you guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Today is April 23rd. I fly out tomorrow. So if you guys would like to see where I go for my solo trip, it's very last minute. I literally booked it a few days ago. I just needed to just get away, clear my head, and also celebrate myself. So yeah.
She got desires. I know, I know. She got desires. You got it fire. And I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees and really had to talk inside. I'm in that 8 and one of the twist infant rider. I try to pay all your loans off and copy the driver. I had to stand too close to the city. You making too vulnerable living this life. I still moved you away from me before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one. You're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two. You barely made the second change. Put you somewhere I know I'm fine. Man, she not in sticks with no.
Okay, guys. Today is, what's today? April 23rd. And a bitch just hit the monetized mark. I will put you on camera, Tansy, but you ain't got your hair on.
Yeah, I got my wig on.
Oh my God. You know what? I'm so excited. I was cooking dinner and someone told me to go check the thing. I go check it. I'm in here cooking and I burnt my damn food. But I'm about to take a shot. Okay, let me pour the shot. Oh my God, this is crazy. It's about to, oh my God, I really cannot. Oh my God. This is about to be a next, I just wrote in my journal today, guys, that I'm about to enter a new chapter starting tomorrow. And this seals it. So shout out to YouTube. Thank you guys for subscribing, for commenting, liking, and being here with me on this journey and helping me hit these goals. I did not vlog when I hit 1K, but thank you guys for getting me to 1K. Let's get me to 2, 3, 100K, 200K, 1 million. I love you guys. Whew, Hennessy.
Oh shit, I got some cauliflower. I want to make this cauliflower.
I've been a tequila girl. That Hennessy just took me out. But thank you. Oh my God, I'm so grateful. I don't even know what to do. I'm literally shaking.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bold myself, and you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, that make you want around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Argument you, air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no static with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this tabbing up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the next morning and I'm getting ready to go to the airport. Well, first I'm about to drop Seline off, and then I gotta run two quick little errands, and then I'm going to the airport. I'm about to ask Tansy now if she could take me to the airport. If not, I get it. I'll just Uber. Yeah, so I have, here is Celine's little go away bag because she's staying with Tansy. And then I just packed some gum. I'm charging up my headphones. This is the book I'll be reading this weekend. I'm actually embarrassed because it's April and I have not read not one book at all this year. But my goal is to read this book by this week. Not by the end of my trip, by this week. And then I want to show you guys, these is old as heck, but my sunnies, because, okay, so I don't know if you noticed, but I went shorter on my lashes. And the reason for Let me put you right here. Over here. There we go. I have so many. Come on, what are you doing? You're trying to knock over my mirror. I have so many shades and I don't wear them because my lashes were too long. So right now I think I get 18, 20, and I believe my little spice is 23. And then I got like 2 little bottoms at the bottom that didn't come off. But these are gonna be the sunglasses I'm gonna be wearing all weekend. Cause I just wanna be a little incognito, you feel me? So yeah, I wanna be able to blink. I don't know if y'all can see, but I wanna be able to blink and not have my lashes touch the top of my my sunglasses. And these are like one of the bigger frames that I have. So for me to not be able to wear bigger frames with my lashes is just like something I gotta get. Okay, got all this money in sunglasses and can't even wear them. So yeah, so we're about to head to the airport. Yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my God, guys. Like oh my God. The content is about to be content for real. Come, Celine wants to say hi so bad with her overly hyper tell. Say good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, let's go. We are on our way to drop off this one. Lena. Come on. Hello. Hey, how are you? It smells good in here. Oh, this is the thing. Y'all make sure y'all go on Tansy page and get this because she said she gonna link it in her Amazon cart. Yeah. You got it from Amazon? Where you going with your hair curled and shit? Hey guys, so we're at the airport. Tansy just dropped me off.
I don't know what to say. It's an emotional day.
Yeah, this is my first solo. This is not my first solo trip, but this is like
a solo trip in a while.
Yeah.
Me next.
Yeah. I didn't tell him where I'm going yet, and I'm not gonna put it in the bio, but you guys will see as soon as I check in.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Choco bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did by fault and without any doubt. Mama me happy I don't, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. My mind that's you talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil, like the Baba Frayo, Mayo, Dang Frayo, Alibigo and Shadow, Alibigo and Shadow, Alibigo and Shadow,
Okay, so I do not want to take a nap only because I'm not really doing much. Like, it's really just relaxing stuff here. So if I feel like if I take a nap, I'm gonna be up all night. So I'm going to just chill for about an hour. I just ordered me a bottle on Instacart. So I'm just gonna, let me turn this light on. It's better. So I'm just gonna chill. Actually I wanted to eat one of these fortune cookies that they left me. I'm not hungry, but I wanted to open the pink one. And then probably at like 5 o'clock, since I thought about it. I had to wait an hour anyway for the bottle to get here. And I don't want to hop in the shower and start getting ready. And then they might need me to come downstairs to do my ID or something. And I just don't want to be interrupted once I start getting dressed. So I'm going to wait a little bit. So this is the pink fortune cookie. Oh, the thing came out. I want to read what the fortune says. It's so good. It's like strawberry. I'm gonna open this one too. It's just like, I don't know. It don't taste like a regular fortune cookie. No, I'm playing. Okay, it says, when is the last time you did something for the first time? Let's make it today. Which is crazy because I was just saying earlier that I have not taken a self-care or a solo trip. And then I'm taking myself to dinner tonight. Well, actually, it's the first time I've ever, this is the first time I've ever done this. Like, I'm about to literally get dressed up, beat my face like I'm about to go on a date with a nigga. And I'm about to just go out by myself. This is the first time. So these little fortune cookies, hit it dead on the eye. But I'm gonna eat these and I'm gonna actually start editing this vlog that you guys are gonna probably get this on Thursday. Today is Monday. And I'm gonna wait for my bottle to get here. And then we're gonna start getting ready to go out. Hello? Yes. Okay, yes. Do I have to come down? Okay, no problem. I'll be down. Thank you. Okay, so I just got my bottle. I had to go downstairs to get out the lobby because with Instacart you have to show your ID for liquor orders. So now that it's here, I'm about to go upstairs and start getting ready. I'm such an alcoholic that I forgot to get a chaser or something. I'm crazy. I literally just ordered a bottle, forgot to get a chaser. But whatever. And it's not a huge bottle. I'm not gonna finish this before the weekend is over. I actually ordered a smaller bottle, but this is what they sent. But cheers to success, to a new chapter, to me accomplishing my goals, setting new goals, never being afraid. That was a big shot. To want more, to dream bigger, So cheers. Ooh. Okay. I just realized that I did not vlog before I left for dinner. Dinner was good. I feel like my makeup looks so good. I'm a little lit. I had like 3 shots of Casamigos before I left, and then when I went to the restaurant, I had 2 drinks. See, I'm kind of feeling myself. I'm gonna open up these windows a little bit so I can see the view. But I'm gonna take my makeup. I'm gonna just take my makeup off again in this damn bed. I need somewhere to go. Somebody come find me. I just want to see if it gives a view. If not, I'll have to close this shit because it might look a little scary. Okay, let's give it a little something. I don't really know. When you buy yourself the littlest shit, scare the hell out of you. Like, oh no. Oh no. But yeah, okay, so I wanted to give you guys, let me close this. Although I do love to wake up to the sunlight, like when the sunlight comes up, like I love to wake up to the sunlight. But Deets on the fits. So the shirt is from Shein, and actually this is the tag right here. So it's the Shein Sexy. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that's what the thing is, but I do know it's a size medium. I'm gonna drop it down below. This skirt I have had for years. It actually came with like its own top, and I just decided to pair it with this. It's giving, and then I have on, which I paired with this little bag that I also got from Shein. Super cute. Take my charger off. Super cute outfit. I wanted to give like vacation, you know, I want to give bed hair, like beach waves. I wanted it to be known that your girl is on vacation, okay? Self-care trip. I'm gonna take another shot. Hold on. It's more than enough. Okay. So let's take this real quick. Okay. What was I about to say? Oh, this shirt, this part comes out like this, right? So what I did was I put this part on first. You gotta zip this on first, and then you can do the little cute tuckety. Remember that when you buy yours, okay? My hair looks so cute. Crowns for queens. Crowns for queens. Make sure y'all comment and let me know that y'all want to see how to do this, okay? So I could do it for y'all.